glasses of water to boil because I'm going to put the rice flour in that. Now the water is boiling. After water boils, I'll put little salt and little oil, and then I'll put this rice flour and make a dough out of it. Like how you make for modak, no? The same way. You have to make a dough out of it. I have to make the filling for it. So for the filling, I have taken grated carrot, grated cabbage, then peas I have taken, onion, capsicum, and I have taken little ginger for seasoning first. I'll put little oil, put ginger, and then I'll put all this vegetable. And then I'll only put salt and turmeric and pepper. And after that, I have to make a soup for it. So for the soup, I have taken again little bay leaves, little garlic minced, and cabbage, carrot, onion, and tomatoes I have taken.
Okay, wonderful.
I'm putting little salt, little salt. I'm putting this rice flour in this. Put little salt and put little oil in that. That's all. I'm using it. This is a coconut cold press oil. I'm putting ginger in this. And put little pepper and salt. This all taken is all half of cup. All vegetables are half cup. Now I'll put these 2 bay leaves in this. I'll put little salt and pepper in this also. Well, I've just prepared it in the afternoon and I've kept the same way. Putting the celery leaves little.
Okay.
Don't put much celery in the soup. It will get bitter if you put more celery. I'm putting the subbas in the soup now. Water.
Okay.
Water it is.
Okay.
The warm water which I had made before, I just removed little. So I'm applying water.
Smoothen it. Yeah, to make it smoother.
Yeah. Carrot. So instead of carrot, you can use brinjal, ashgard, or pumpkin. You can use that. I think pumpkin is better than ashgard and brinjal because it will give you the same color. Making this recipe, when you make that KUBBAH balls, like if the dough is not correct, and if it's not kneaded properly, and if it's not mixed properly when the water is hot, the KUBBAHs will break inside the soup. First will be, I think, tomato sauce. You can put tomato sauce in this recipe.